I'm Scott. Today I'm going to do the unboxing and assembly of this dust collection system on Dad It Yourself. Hey, well look at my problem here. I have a dust problem. It is everywhere. So I've been managing my dust mostly with shop vacs and just cleaning up after myself, but I've been doing a grinding project this week that's taking me forever and it's making a mess. Got some new tools to work on that, but that right there is what's going to fix my problem, hopefully. Let's get started putting that thing together. As I open this box and get everything ready to put together, if you're new to this channel or you're visiting again, don't forget to subscribe. It really helps the channel out and I appreciate it. Well, here's everything that came in the box. It was neatly packed and secure and nothing was damaged. The first step is to install the casters on the base. This was actually a little bit harder than it looks. The instructions labeled these as hex screws. They were actually button head Phillips, and the holes in the casters didn't line up exactly with the holes that were drilled in the base, but I made it work. The next step in the process is to install the support stanchions, which ultimately hold up the collection bag and the filter. And these were put in through pre-drilled and threaded holes with hex nuts and washers. Installing the blower base was just a matter of bolting the bracket on with 4 bolts, which included nuts and washers on both sides, and then tightening them down with a ratchet. Installing the blower was just 4 bolts into pre-drilled and pre-threaded holes. What I didn't realize until after I was complete is that I installed this backwards. So off camera, I completely took it off, spun it around, and tightened it back down again. The next few steps were putting on the hose adapter on the blower, installing the filter housing, and the hose connecting the two together.
Don't stop.
And the final step, hanging the filter bag and installing the collection bag. I'll tell you, it was harder than it looks to hang that collection bag. It kept falling down, but I finally got it on with some painter's tape and a little bit of patience. If you have a suggestion of how you did it, or you can help me out, put those in the comments below.
stop.
I picked this unit up for about $200 from Harbor Freight. I followed the instructions that came with it, and it took me about an hour to put together. I got this about halfway through a project I was working on, and the reduction in the sawdust in my shop was immediately noticeable. Hopefully this will be a great asset to my work center, especially when I get it piped to some of my permanently mounted tools. If you have any questions or comments, put them down below. I'll have a link to this in the description as well if you're interested in picking one up for yourself. Speaking of comments, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you subscribe, hit that bell for notifications. I've got some videos over here you may be interested in, and the subscribe button's right there. Thanks for watching. Dad it yourself.